afternoon, QBBOptionMillionaires.com. It's Monday, March 23rd, 2015. A quick video here on why I got into some 3D system calls. Ticker DDD. It's not diners, drive-ins, and dives, but it looks pretty appetizing here for at least a short-term bounce up. Longer term, you can look at this $44 level here has acted as resistance in the past and finally broke above it to record highs back at the start of 2014. The shorts, heavily shorted stock here, 34% of the float is in the hands of short sellers. They've been doing pretty well since the start of 2014. But now it's getting to the point here where the selling has slowed down. It abated somewhat. We could be starting to curl up to the upside now. A negative piece out this weekend from Barron's, talking about how the valuation of the stock could be at lower prices, but then goes on at the bottom, the end of the article, talking about how it's a buyout candidate, these 3D companies, SSYS as well, which SSYS is up 1% today. So I'm just looking for a move to the upside off support here. It's worked well. GoPro, FEYE back at the start of the year, Twitter, and that's it. You know, these long-term trend lines have worked well in the past, and look how well it worked this morning as the sellers tried to take it down under this long-term trend line support. You can see where we are here just today, that trend line that goes all the way back. And we had a nice bounce up over 28. We're consolidating here. I'm looking for a move up into the 30s here this week. We'll see if that happens. And I'm positioned via the calls. And if it doesn't happen this week, I do think it's going to happen, at least in the short term. Look, we're consolidating here along this long-term trend line support. I think it's going to happen just like it did for GoPro last week. And even GoPro's getting a nice continuation today, up another 3%. Twitter is moving nicely off support, FEYE. And DDD, the 3D sector, I think we've hit a low here, at least in the short term, and I'm trading for a bounce. And off this trend line support is why. All right, I'll see you in the chat room at OptionMillionaires.com. Everyone have a great start to the trading week. I'm looking for higher prices here in 3D systems, and that's how I'm trading for them. Goodbye.